In order to get to Tableau, you will need to go to Infinite Campus and log in. So then you're going to come over here to the side once Infinite Campus has been pulled up, and you're going to go to My Tableau Reports. Once you get to My Tableau Reports, you should be able to go down and find any kind of data. For example, if you wanted to look at kids in the hallway, you could look at attendance forms, and there's attendance support plans as well. So in order to protect the privacy of students, I went ahead and switched it off. But if you wanted to get attendance support plans and different graphs and stuff that you would be able to see, all you have to do is come over here to school, and then you just check Roosevelt, and all of that data will pull up. You can go back to more things. For example, if you wanted to, here's some information on board goals. Here's behavior right here. And I would bet money that we would be able to just see Roosevelt stuff. So this is where you should be able to find all of your data that you need.